1704. Determine if string halves are alike. This Java code defines a class named solution with a method called halves are alike that takes a single string s as an argument and returns a Boolean value. The purpose of the method is to determine if the two halves of the input string s have the same number of vowels. Here's what the method does, step by step. 1. String map equals AEIO, AEIOU. This line creates a string containing all the vowels in both lowercase and uppercase. This string will be used to check if a character is a vowel. 2. Int count equals 0. This line initializes a counter to keep track of the number of characters processed in the first half of the string. 3. Int answer equals 0. This line initializes a variable to keep track of the difference in the number of vowels between the first and second halves of the string. 4. For char c, s.tochar array, this line starts a loop that iterates over each character c in the string s. The tochar array method converts the string into an array of characters. 5. Inside the loop, the code checks if the current position is in the first half of the string by comparing s.length/2count. If it is, it increments the count variable and checks if the current character is a vowel by seeing if it is contained within the map string. If it's a vowel, the answer variable is incremented. 6. If the current position is not in the first half, meaning it's in the second half, the code checks if the current character is a vowel. If it is, the answer variable is decremented. 7. After the loop finishes, the method returns the result of answer equals 0. This line checks if the answer variable is 0, which would mean that the number of vowels in the first half and the second half of the string is equal. If answer is 0, the method returns true, indicating that the halves are alike in terms of the number of vowels. Otherwise, it returns false. In summary, the halves are alike method checks if the two halves of a given string contain the same number of vowels and returns true if they do or false if they don't.